Hello friends! Is your battery not charging properly? Are you seeing the battery warning light on your dashboard? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0622, then your alternator field control circuit has a problem. This issue can lead to electrical failures, dim headlights, or even complete battery drain. In this video, I'll explain what P0622 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0622? The P0622 code stands for Generator Field Control Circuit Malfunction. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an issue with the alternator's field control circuit. If this problem is not fixed, your battery may not charge correctly, leading to electrical system failures. Common symptoms of P0622: battery warning light stays on, battery not charging properly, headlights dim or flicker, electrical accessories not working properly, engine stalling due to low voltage. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the affected components. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0622, check these key components. Alternator, generator, location, front of the engine, near the serpentine belt. Function, generates power to charge the battery and run electrical systems. Powertrain Control Module, PCM, location, near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, controls the alternator and monitors the electrical system. Battery and battery cables location, engine bay, usually on the left or right side. Function, stores electrical power and supplies it to the vehicle. Alternator field control circuit wiring and connectors location, between the alternator and PCM. Function, sends signals to regulate alternator output. Charging system fuses and relays. Location, fuse box in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, protects the electrical system from overload. Tip: if the alternator isn't receiving proper control signals, your battery won't charge and your car may eventually stop running. Common causes of P0622, faulty alternator. A failing alternator can't properly generate power. Bad PCM. If the PCM is faulty, it won't control the alternator correctly. Broken or corroded wiring. Loose connections or damaged wires can cause control circuit failure. Faulty voltage regulator. A defective regulator can prevent proper charging. Weak or damaged battery. If the battery is too weak, it won't hold a charge. Blown fuse in the alternator field control circuit. A blown fuse can cut off alternator control. Loose or damaged serpentine belt. A worn belt can prevent the alternator from working properly. How to fix P0622. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0622 code and check for related codes. Step 2. Inspect the alternator and voltage regulator. Use a multimeter to check voltage output. Step 3. Check the battery and cables. Clean and tighten all connections. Step 4. Inspect the alternator field control circuit wiring. Look for damaged or corroded wires. Step 5. Check the fuses and relays. Replace any blown fuses or faulty relays. Step 6. Test the serpentine belt. Replace if worn or loose. Step 7. Reset the PCM and test the system. Sometimes a reset can clear the issue. Step 8. Replace the alternator or PCM if necessary. If other fixes don't work, replacing the faulty part may be the only solution. Final words. Ignoring P0622 can lead to battery failure, electrical malfunctions, and a dead vehicle. Fixing this issue ensures proper charging and prevents unexpected breakdowns. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0498, EVAP System Vent Control Circuit Low. P0499, EVAP System Vent Control Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.